Hello and welcome back to another video of the Java tutorial series. So today we will be covering super keyword in Java. So the super keyword in Java is a reference variable to which it is used to refer the immediate parent class object. Whenever you create an instance of the subclass, an instance of the parent class is created implicitly, which is referred by the super reference keyword. Okay, so it is nothing but it is super keyword is used to call the variables, methods, and the constructors of the super class. Okay, so the uses of this super keyword Java super keyword is so this there are three uses. It can be used to call the immediate parent class instance variable. Let me write it over here. Instance variable, and it is super keyword is can be used to invoke the immediate parent class method. Parent class method. And again it is super can be used to invoke the immediate parent class constructor. Okay, so these are the three uses of the super keyword. We will see one by one each of them. Okay, let me decrease the font size. Okay, so first we will see how we can use the super keyword to refer the immediate parent class instance variable. Okay, so let me get into my IDE, and I will create one new new Java class. I will name it as super keyword. Okay, now let me increase my font size, and I will import my main method. Okay, so let me take one example so that you guys can understand how we can use the parent class variable as in child class. Okay, let me declare my parent class over here. I will write animal, declare one class name as animal, and I will write this. Okay, now inside my animal class, why I'm getting error? Duplicate class found. Okay. Wait. In our previous code, we have used this animal class, I guess. That's why we are getting error over here. Okay. Let me change my class name to something else so that we can. Okay, now it's okay. Fine. Inside my animal class, I will declare one string color. Quit string color color, which is equals to white. Okay, so this is my parent class, and now I will create one class name as dog. I guess you can take any animal you want. Okay, dog, which is extending the anim animals class. Now inside this class I will write string color, which is equals to black. Okay, now wait a second, I'm getting okay. Dog is also let me create it as dogs. Okay, now I will write one method void print color, which doesn't accept any parameters, and inside this method I will write simply system.out.println my color. Okay, now and I will write one more print statement, and now this time I will write super dot color. Okay, now you will see what is exactly difference between these two statements. Let me just create the object of the dogs class. Dogs obj1 is equals to new dogs. Okay, and inside using this objects I will obj1 dot print color. Okay, now if I run this, you will see the difference between these two statements. One is printing black and one is printing white. Why so? Because when we write system.out.println color, the, this is referred as this line number 6, and this colors value of this color variable is black, and which is getting printed on the console. And when we write super dot color, this super keyword will call this call is getting called to the parent class. Parent class is here class animals, and they, whereas colors value is white. Okay, so super dot color is white, and color simply color, when we write simply color, the that means inside this class we have declared string color black. So black is getting printed first and white is getting printed second. Okay, I hope you understood this concept of variables. Okay, and now moving forward, we'll see how we can how we can use super keyword in class methods. Okay, now I will make some changes in this code also itself. Okay, now this time I don't need this string, because and I will create void 8, and inside this I will just simply write eating. Okay, so this is the parent class method, and now inside my dogs, which is extending the animals class, extends the animal class. I don't need this variable right now, and I will declare this print. I guess this also don't need anymore. Okay, now inside this I will write void eat, uh, and I will print dog is eating such a random string. Okay, and I write bark. Okay, and I will simply print barking, and I will declare one more method work. Okay, and inside this I will write super dot eat. Okay, and now after this work method is done, I will write bark. Okay, wait a second, let me write this inside this. Okay, now it's okay. uh, we have declared one dogs class, which extends the animal class, and inside this we have written void eat. So this is the example of the method overriding, as we have discussed in our previous videos also. So this eat method will print dog is eating, and this bark method will print barking. Now one more method is there named as work, which is calling two methods. Okay, super dot eat. Now you will see what you guys thinking, what should printed over here. Void dot eat, whether it is printing dog is eating or the eating. We'll see. Let me just comment this out, and I will next line I will write obj1 dot work. And now if oops, sorry, I open it in debug mode. Wait. Now it's okay. Yes, here you can see eating and barking is getting printed on the console. Why so? Because when the call is at line number 21, super dot eat will call the immediate parent class. Okay, and eat method we have declared in the parent class. It is printing eating, and that's why eating is getting printed on the console. And when we call bark, it just simply call the method which is inside the animal class, the dogs class itself. Okay, that is the child class, and which is printing barking. Okay, so this is the one use case of the super keyword to call the immediate parent class method. Okay, now we will see how to call the immediate parent class construct. Invoke, not call, we will invoke. Okay, so in this example itself I will do some changes so that you guys can understand it clear. Okay, you know what, let me comment this out. Okay, and here I will comment this also. Okay, now inside this parent class I will declare the constructor for this class. Okay, animals, this is the constructor, and this constructor is simply printing animals is created. Okay, and now inside this child class we'll write the constructor for this class. Wait a second, it's dogs, not dog. And inside this we'll write super, and again one print statement so that you guys can understand where the code flow is going. Dog is created. Okay, and now if I comment this out and I will simply run this, because here you can see I have not used that object and called any method, and still now something is getting printed on the console. That is because when as we have discussed in our constructor video, the constructor will get called automatically whenever the object of that class is created. Okay, so here we are creating the object of the class, so that constructor will get called automatically. Okay, so what is happening over here in the line number 37, whenever we create an object of that class obj1, the call is passed to this line number 28. Okay, now this line number 28 is executed. Line number 29 we have written super. Okay, and if you hover over this, it says that animals class is there, and this call is passed to this animals class constructor, and this constructor will get executed first. Okay, and it is printing animals created, so the first line is animal is created, it is printed, and secondly it is printing dog is created, that's why it prints dog is created. Okay, one more thing is there, if you don't write this this super at line number 29, it that again it is writing animals is created. Why so? Because whenever you create the child class object, and if that child class is extending one parent class, then in that case, whenever you create the child class constructor, it will automatically call the constructor which is there inside the parent class. Okay, so if I don't write this super over here, again it will call the animals class constructor if you have declared this constructor inside that class. If you don't have declared, it will not call. Okay, so this is the idea behind the super keyword. I hope you understand the super keyword in Java. Thank you for watching this video.